Hello and welcome to another episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. This mess you see before you is a Kawasaki 1981 CSR 1000. And today I am going to be installing Delkevic's ceramic coated 4x1 full system with the classic megaphone exhaust on my CSR. I have the tools out that I'm going to use today. We have a 12mm open end wrench as well as two 12mm sockets, just different sizes, lengths of shaft there and sizes of wrench as needed. I've also got a 14mm socket, a 14mm open end, an 8mm Allen wrench, and I do have grease. I'm actually going to put some grease on the exhaust manifold gaskets to hold them in place while I install the downpipes. This has me installing downpipes 1 and 4, which are the outer two exhaust pipes, and thankfully they're labeled. It has me installing them first and attaching them to the collector, and then the inner tubes, starting with pipe number 3 and then number 2, and then going back and fitting the actual exhaust canister. Alright, so there you have it. All in all, that installation went very well. I did have difficulties with the last Delkevic pipe that I installed with number 2 pipe, which would be this one, going into the collector, and it was a little bit tight this time, but just following the directions on the website, the installation honestly went very, very smoothly. The pipe looks great. I don't know if it'll ever be this clean again. The springs are attached here. And as you can see, pipe looks really nice. I'll give you another video here shortly that will allow you to hear the pipe on, and I just can't wait to fire this puppy up. Talk to you soon.